It's been a good part of my life to be here. I had been previously, but at that point of time, I was not conscious enough to get in the best information from this vision of Vivekananda. I'm not able to express and I'm not able to get the words, but it's been a good time here, and I feel that I'll be coming to this place time and again and contribute myself something to the nation and fulfill Vivekananda's dream, and also fulfill myself, my satisfaction, and the things I want to do for the people. Thank you.
Very good.
Hello friends, my name is Ann Monica. I'm from Mechanical A. Today I had a great time in this place, and this will be my most memorable moment in my life. Actually, we saw videos which touched our heart, and it is very memorable to stay here and meeting Swamijis. We didn't even know is there something place like this which contribute our society, and I really very thankful our faculty members for giving me this golden opportunity to have a great visit with in Ramakrishna Math, and I really very thankful to everyone.
Wonderful.
This is my first chance to come here. Anytime I have not come here. After seeing this, there are no words to express. Swamiji and some of the sirs afternoon have explained a lot. So I suggest all of you to maximum try your level best to attend the Sunday program, so that we also may be a part of the students who we have already seen in the video. So let us try to be one among them. And I thank our VPIT management for organizing this program. Thank you.
Very good.
I hope you explain the same thing in the next Sunday class.
I didn't understand.
No, sir.
You put a E equals MC square straight away. You explain now.
Sir, you showed us what is the society,
Yes.
what to do,
Okay.
and what we can do.
Yes.
But you didn't explain us how to do. What's the platform?
That is on Sunday.
That's all.
Sundays, all these people learn to do, and then one batch will go to do. Learning and doing both go together. Tomorrow, believe it or not, the district collector of Nalgonda himself is coming to tell the ground reality of Nalgonda, so that young people will get an awareness sitting in Hyderabad. He is coming all the way. You were supposed to go. He said, no, I will come, I will talk to them, then take them there, see the reality, then what you can do. First learn, meditate, develop that mental strength. Suppose I take you to, as you said, right, you take it. Before this, the people went to burn spot, they were given 10 days training, because they have to face the smell and that pain. You need a heart, strong heart, not simply you can do anything and everything. No, first they won't give permission, because you are not regular people. An infection. And then you see the skin oozing out and coming, etc. So that psychological training, that strength of mind, and Vivekananda's ideas, Ramakrishna's ideas will go into you. That is why Sundays is a training center. Monday to Friday is your laboratory. Okay? You got the point here?
Yes, sir.
That is where Sundays we have.
Anyways, thank you for creating awareness.
Fantastic. Wonderful.
First of all, I want to good evening, friends. Not replying a great
Reply, Sham. Enthusiastic reply. Yeah.
I can't see smile in anyone's face till now. They have been sitting from here since 9 o'clock, and I can't see any change from anyone. There is no smile at all. I didn't ask you a laugh, I just asked you a smile. Okay, thank you for that. Sir, sorry sir. How many want to change our nation?
How many want to change the nation? All want to change.
Everybody want to change the nation. Directly? Then it's not the right thing. First you have to change yourself.
Wow.
Then only you can change the nation.
Fantastic.
This is what I have learned. This is only one point I have learned from today Essence. And this is not the program which I have to conducted only by the BPIT. I think every engineering college should take the initiative and bring the children to this type of much. As in today's class, I think not more than 10 people around. I think they'll change today from today. If every engineering college take an initiative, come and come to Ramakrishna Math, I think India can no longer be poorer, as Swamiji said. That's it. Thank you.
Wow.
This is really not a powerful response, I say.
Come on, repeat.
That's very sensible. Myself, Mridul Abhinav from Mechanical Branch. నేను తెలుగులో
మాట్లాడండి.
అసలు ఈరోజు చాలా మంచి మెమరబుల్ రోజు. అందరు అనుకుంటున్నారు మన ఇందాక మన ఫ్రెండ్ చెప్పినట్టు ఫస్ట్ మనం చేంజ్ అవ్వాలని. ద స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ అంటే నేషన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి డెవలప్ అవుతుందంటే మన నుంచే డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. మనల్ని క్రష్ చేసుకుంటే అంటే ఇందాక కాపర్ ఇంకా గోల్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, గోల్డ్ని బాగా పాలిష్ చేస్తేనే అది బాగా షైనింగ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. వాడు ఇంకో కాపర్ గిఫ్ట్ అనేది మనం డైరెక్ట్గా వెళ్తే కాపర్ లానే ఉంటాం. మనం బాగా మనల్ని నలగొట్టుకుంటే మనం బాగా షైన్ అవుతామని ఈరోజు నేను తెలుసుకున్నాను. అండ్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ జంపింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ రొటీన్ అండ్ డేరింగ్ టు డిసైడ్. ఈరోజు ఇంకో సార్ మా ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్ మధ్యాహ్నం ఒక సార్ వచ్చి కూడా చెప్పారు. ఆయన కొన్ని క్లాస్లో ఒక పిల్లోడు వితౌట్ హ్యాండ్స్, ఆయన తన పనిని సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేటింగ్ అండ్ సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, ఆయన తన పేరెంట్స్ ఎలా వదిలేసి వెళ్ళిపోయినా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఆయన చిన్న ఏజ్లో కూడా మోటివేషన్, సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అది మనలో నుంచి వస్తే మనం వేరే వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఎంతో సహాయపడవచ్చు. అండ్ ఇంకో మాట, ఎసెన్స్ అంటే మనం స్ట్రాంగ్ అంటే పక్కన కూడా ఎనర్జీ బాగా వస్తుంది. పవర్ఫుల్ రెస్పాన్స్ అండ్ డేరింగ్, జంపింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ రొటీన్ అండ్ డేరింగ్ టు డిసైడ్. అండ్ ద అదర్ కాన్సెప్ట్, వన్ ఫర్ ఆల్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫర్ వన్, ద మిర్రర్, ద సార్ ఇందాక వీడియో చూపించింది. అండ్ దట్స్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. థ్యాంక్స్.
Civil. Good evening, friends.
Yes.
Okay. From morning I sat on the chair and what I learned is, I thought that I also not listened many lectures, but I thought that the youth is the basement of our nation. Without basement we can't build a nation, right? Not ourselves to change. Okay, youth is the basement of that. And what I think is, we are coming to the engineering percent of set. And what I am telling this, 4th year completed, okay, percent ochindi, okay, 80% ochindi. What is the use? We'll get a job, married, or you know. Okay, then what is the use? Man, working the value in the to show that if you see one person is dead, his expiry is over, person is dead. All are saying vada phone. Then if we serve, we have noted. Then we will say that the person is dead. Oh, he is dead. He is a great worker and served people. So we have one of the identity in the society. So I want that identity in it. And what the Swami is telling is not only memorable. We have to do in hands power. That not only the memory, that we have to do with the hands and serving it. And until now, what is it? I can't see the man that without the child without his hands. I got pride.
I'm from Mechanical B.
చెప్పండి.
నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఏదో నేర్చుకున్నాను కాదు, నేను ఏం అనుకున్నానో ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకున్నాను. చెప్పాలంటే నేను మా డాడీ, మై ఫాదర్ వాస్ గోయింగ్ టు Nampally to pay the Tata Docomo bill of my phone. I was the the gap between after MCET and counseling there was a lot of months gap, but by on the bike, sitting on the bike and seeing all the things around me, there was a roads with so many dirts and manholes without drainage, without lids, and many people are lying on the footpath. I thought that, is this India? Okay, the frank question about me, the frank answer from me, don't think anyways, I am saying frank, the youth is busy, the youth is busy in entertainment, and adults are busy in earning, and politicians are busy in corrupting. Is that right or not? Okay, let's think about politicians. They may think that array life hai padra bhai put some price ko they put some price. Okay, let them be adults. They want to earn because of their children. Okay, then what about us? We shall always do entertainment. Okay, we are not always doing entertainment. We are just reading, doing something. At least 10% we are doing. Why can't you do it? We are doing 10% today. Why can't we do 15% tomorrow? Or 50% after 2-3 months? అరే వాడు దాంట్లో శక్తి లేదా? మనం ఉంచలేమా మన బాడీని? This is my frank questions, and నేను what I am expecting is, నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి కూర్చుని వీళ్ళందరూ స్పీచెస్ వింటుంటే, అరే నా క్వశ్చన్ అప్పుడు నేను అనుకున్నాను, నా మనసులో అనుకున్నాను రైటే, ఐ వాజ్ రైట్ అట్ దట్ మూమెంట్. నాకు ఆ మూమెంట్లో బైక్ మీద కూర్చున్నప్పుడు నాకు ఐ వాజ్ షివరింగ్ లిటరల్లీ. అరే వై దిస్ థాట్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు మై మైండ్స్. అరే అమెరికాలో రోడ్లు చూస్తే స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే మామూలుగా నీట్గా ఉంటే ఇండియాలో ఎందుకు బైక్ చూస్తా బ్యాడ్ కండిషన్ టు ఆర్ ఇండియా. Although we say that there is a constitution, we say something big history about India. Why? If we have a big history, why we have a big future and big present now? I am expecting from ourselves is the India can be motivated, not at least motivated, but at least changed because of this youth. And I am proud to be an Indian and proud to be an Indian youth.
You see that my mother is Simpson Daddy. If any accident occurs at TV, then my mother she'll hold my hands and sit in the house only, because where my son will go and get there. So I buy. Finally, after my mother cried and lots of going, and I purchased a bike R15. So only after 2 days, what happened is I escaped from an accident. That big lorry has crushed my bike. So I had just jumped into house. I had just jumped out. If I never jumped, I would not be here. I would be photo journalist only. So even that my mother also don't know even my accident that occurred. My father has kept aside that. So my bike is gone, and at that moment I also cried before my mother, and until now I didn't touch my bike. Today I handled the bike and I didn't even touch my mobile phone also. And I thanked my mother before buying the bike, and I saw it, and I saw my mother after the crash, after the accident occurred.
నేను ఫ్రెండ్ అడిగాను ఏం చెప్పారంటే సోది చెప్పారు అన్నాడు, కానీ వాళ్ళు వచ్చాక తెలిసింది కదా సొల్యూషన్ అని. We have got solution. Swami Vivekananda's great teachings are our solutions to build a new India. So we should take on these principles. మనం చదువుతాం, ఎట్లాగైనా చదువుతో పాటు స్వామి వివేకానంద లాంటి గ్రేట్ పర్సనాలిటీస్ లాంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఫాలో అయ్యి then we can make it. Wow.
Mechanical branch. Firstly, I would like to correct my friend Graham, who said that not even VVIT but each and every engineering college should conduct this program. I would like to correct him by saying that each and every institution should conduct this program.
Wow.
And next, we have many days in our life ahead. We can study. As each and everyone knows the 3 Idiots movie, it said that don't run after the success, run after the knowledge. Success will itself run after you. So We need to study for such knowledge, not for modifying it and writing it in exams. And beside of that, we can even do many works for the society.
I would like to say good morning because we just got wake up from where we were sleeping.
कुलकर्णी जी, कल कॉलेज में क्या होता है?
Sir, you gave a very good approach to our society, sir. We will try to move towards positiveness, sir. It's a very good mission. It is spreading a very good message, sir. Whatever you said, sir, we will try to inculcate in our moral values and serve the society. We would like to render our service to the nation, sir. It's a very positive move. The Swami Vivekananda Institute has showed true colors of life. I would like to say, don't challenge your limit. Don't limit your challenge. Challenge your limits.
How people, my name is Ujjwal Rajkumar, I'm from Civil, the only one class, sir.
Okay.
See what Vivekananda said, that he needs 100 people in this country so that he can change the destiny of the country.
Yeah.
I'm asking you all, today we have lakhs of engineers, what are we doing? Let's go, why need we go to America? Why can't we stay in India and change the country? All of us spoke about corruption. Sir, please don't speak about corruption, sir. Are we people really paying the taxes to the country? And I would also like to say that some things what Mother Teresa have said.
Yeah.
What she have done in India is just a drop in the sea. Just a drop in the sea. We don't need missions like this going to hospitals and giving fruits and sweets to the people. On our birthday itself, we can plant a tree. We can go to a old age home. We can go to a children's home and give some sweets or clothes to those people. That can bring a change in those people. It's not that creating a motivating thing like this, Ramakrishna, but we can motivate our own by watching internet. We have this service, internet services.
Yeah.
What we do, we just open Facebook. I don't condemn people by opening Facebook. Facebook is also used for good things.
Yes.
Like we have street calls in BBIT, sir.
Yes.
It's a good thing. They have shown an orientation day. I can just only say one thing. Today we have lakhs of engineers, lakhs of management students. Let's contribute to India for a good India. We don't need speeches like this. Self-motivation for a good development of India. Thank you.
And all these funds have come, as he said, from the students themselves. Every Sunday there is a program, there is a spontaneous contribution called Seal Your Desire. This Seal Your Desire is maybe 1 rupee to 1,000 rupees. Whatever you are feeling, it is not necessary for me, it is a luxury. I did not do it this week, I did not spend this for that month. From a film, a cake or something, I will give up and hold back my mind. I will hold it back. It's a control, channelize, not even control, channelize. So all our boys and girls or members of youth group, they contribute to that fund. And from that only, the medicines, etc. for the destitute home, Bharati Memorial Foundation and others are given. That has converted into a beautiful movement of river, giving peace and joy. So this month 28th, we are inviting law and order police constables. 150 are coming. 28th October, where you also can come and participate and see how we do this around. Next month we are inviting 150 traffic constables. Afterwards, coolies at the railway station. And afterwards, the GHMC cleaners, the GHMC dustbin cleaners, the sweepers. Like these, who are helping us to lead a comfortable life, we'll call them. And other than that, these regular Seva programs are going on, which you can contribute. If you are having this one, from your first years, three groups have come, many more may be interested. You collect that 10 rupee per day program and come on 28th. Those who are coming on Sunday can bring it, add it to the fund, it will be all accounted, given. And you will purchase, you will give a banyan, you will give something to the people and feel blessed that you have been given an opportunity to seva. Like we go to a temple and give a flower, Swamiji says go and give this or invite them and bless them and get their blessings. So that is Seal Your Desire campaign going on every Sunday. Okay? That is also part of the character development training program. Okay? So these are some of the things, my dear friends. Friend of all is given to you as an introduction to Vivekananda's life. Memorable events are there in this book. Second, a beautiful picture of Vivekananda inspiring the entire freedom movement, designed here in our mud by an artist. That is for your table. 150th birthday, we are doing Andhra Pradesh Vivekananda Ratha Yatra for 2 years, 16 months program. It already started. Now the Ratham is in Guntur, it is coming to Vijayawada. Going to the villages, 200 villages, towns, district headquarters, celebrations, processions, sale of books and service programs. This you can give to your parents and others. You also can read why it is going on, how it is going on, the entire action plan. Then we give you October issue of our monthly journal called Ramakrishna Prabha. This is for entire family. Parents, brothers, youth, children, all can read. 5-6 members in a family, old people, all can read. This Durga Puja is a stone sculptor, just a drawing. Durga, this one is coming 21st. So this contains Ratha Yatra, some of the beautiful pictures, inauguration and processions, etc. So take this complimentary copy, tell your parents or yourself. If you feel, you can subscribe, 100 rupees per year. It will come to your house directly. This poster is for your room. How is this? This has been designed by second year BTech student of JB8. He is coming since 1 year only, but using his computer skills, he said, Swamiji, I want to do something, do it. So we sponsored it, and students also sponsor it. They buy it and sell it in their colleges as inspiration. 150th birthday. Vivekananda as a lion. The message is given: stand up and fight, not one step back. That is the idea. Fight it out, whatever comes. Let the stars move from the sphere. Let the whole world stand against us. Death means only a change of garment. What of it? Thus fight. You can gain nothing by becoming cowards. Swamiji's message. So there is a sticker here. You can remove it and paste it in your cupboard or in your room. And every day before going to college, look at this picture, feel the lion's strength, and remove all the foxes and fear of hatred and jealousies in your mind. And help yourself and help the nation. Okay? So this paper which you have written, box is kept there, put it there. Take this gift packet, go to the shed where you will be given the...
Okay, right. Start.
One day explain.
Hi guys, my name is Ujjwal. I'm from 7, Vietnam Bharati Institute of Technology. I think it's a high time for all our people to get rid of bad and improve our goodness in ourselves. This mission, especially Ramakrishna mission, which has engulfed a goodness in us. I think today what Swami Vivekananda ji has asked, for 100 people to serve the society. But we are lakhs of people living in this society. We can make a change in society. We do not need such kind of machines, but we need a trueness in ourselves to get rid of this poorness. What Mother Teresa has said is a single drop what she has done to the society in a sea. But we don't need a single drop. We need to be a goodness, we need to serve the society. Thank you.
Good evening friends. Myself Mradul Avira from Mechanical A branch from Vigyan Bharati Institute of Technology. ఈ 3 రోజుల కోర్సు మాకు ఎంతో భవిష్యత్తులో ఎంతో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఈ 3 రోజుల పునాది మా భవిష్యత్తులో మా జీవితంలో ఎంతో మంచిగా మేము ఆచరించి మమ్మల్ని మేము సరిదిద్దుకుంటామని ఈ సొసైటీ కూడా మేము ఎంతో వర్క్ చేసి మా అతిశక్తియంగా మా శక్తి అంతా మా బలమంతా ఉపయోగించి మేము ఈ సొసైటీకి మంచిగా పనిచేస్తామని, అలాగే ఈ బేస్మెంట్, ఈ రామకృష్ణ మఠ్ అనే బేస్మెంట్ మేము ఈ 3 రోజులు ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నామో అది మాకు కంపల్సరీ, అది ఒక బేస్మెంట్. మేము ఈ ఏజ్లో, రైట్ ఏజ్లో మేము ఇది తెలుసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి మేము ఎంతో సంతోషంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. మేము ఎంతో మంచిగా, ఎంతో రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీగా యాజ్ ఎ సోషల్ సర్వెంట్గా మేము ఫీల్ అయ్యి అందరినీ ప్రోత్సహించి మమ్మల్ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకొని వచ్చిన మా VBIT మెంబర్స్కి కూడా మేము ఎంతో ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్పుకుంటున్నాము. అలాగే మమ్మల్ని ఇక్కడ ప్రోత్సహించిన స్వామీజీ గారికి, ఇంకా బయట నుంచి వచ్చిన ఇద్దరు ప్రొఫెషనల్ సార్లకు కూడా మేము ఎంతో ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాము. ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే మా కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో స్వామీజీ గారు, పేషెన్స్, నాయకుడికి ఒక పేషెన్స్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి. సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేషన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ నేషన్ని అంటే మన దేశాన్ని బాగు చేద్దాం అని మాట్లాడడం కంటే నన్ను నేను బాగు చేసుకుంటే నా నుంచి దేశం ఎంత బాగుపడిందో చూసుకుంటే మన దేశం ఎంత గొప్పది. ఇంకా చిన్న మాట చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. అందరూ యుఎస్కి, అమెరికాకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ జనాలను మోపుతున్నారు. అదేదో మనం ఇక్కడుండి మనల్ని మనము బాగా కష్టపడి మన దేశానికి ఎంతో కొంత మదర్ తెరెసా చెప్పినట్టు ఒక సముద్రంలో ఒక చిక్కలాగా మనం పనిచేస్తే మనకి ఎంతో మంచిగా అవుట్పుట్ ఉంటుంది. నేను ఈ ఫౌండేషన్ ఇచ్చిన రామకృష్ణ మఠకి ఎంతో ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్పుకుంటూ నాకు ఇచ్చిన ఆపర్చునిటీని నేను ఉపయోగించుకుంటూ ధన్యవాదాలు.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా పేరు రామ్, నేను సివిల్ బ్రాంచ్ ఫ్రమ్ విబిఐటి. మనము ఇక్కడ 3 days సెషన్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువ తీసుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఇది వివేకానంద ఒక యూత్కి ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ అది అనమాట. సో మనము యూత్కి బాగా దగ్గర కావాల్సిన థాట్స్ అన్నీ ఆయన చెప్పారు. ఈరోజు ఈ 3 days సెషన్స్ నేను ఎలా తీసుకుంటున్నానంటే, నేను ఒక నేషన్ని నేనేం ఫస్ట్ బాగుపడాలని లేదు, ఫస్ట్ నేను బాగుపరచుకొని తర్వాత నేను ఆటోమేటిక్గా నా సొసైటీ ద్వారా నా నేషన్కి సేవలు చేస్తాను. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. నా పేరు కృష్ణ చైతన్య. చాలామంది చాలా రకాలుగా అనుకుంటారు, వివేకానంద మఠ్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు, దేవుళ్ళ గురించి అదే అనుకుంటారు. కాదు, కానీ ఇవాళ రావడం వల్ల ఒక సొల్యూషన్ అనేది వచ్చింది. అసలు ఏం జరుగుతుంది సమాజంలో, అసలు ఏం చేస్తే అసలు ఒక రైట్ పాత్లో వెళ్ళాలంటే ఒకరు గైడెన్స్ కావాలి మనకి. ఎవరు గైడ్ చేస్తారు? ఈ వేలు తెలియని ఇలాంటి సమాజంలో స్వామి వివేకానంద అన్నట్టు ఆయన ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ కానీ ఆయనవి కానీ ఫాలో అయ్యి అందరూ ఒక రైట్ ట్రాక్లో వస్తే, ఆయన చెప్పినట్టు 100 స్టూడెంట్స్ కాదు 100 into 100 వస్తారు. అంతమంది వచ్చే కెపాసిటీ ఉంది ఇండియాకి. ఆయన జస్ట్ 100 మందితో ఇండియాని షైన్ చేయగలుగుతా అన్నారు, కానీ ఆ 100 into 100 యూ క్యాన్ జస్ట్ మల్టిపుల్. అంత క్యాలిబర్ ఉంది ఇండియన్స్ దగ్గర. వీ క్యాన్ మేక్ ఇట్. మనం ఏదంటే అది చేయగలుగుతాం. సో స్వామి వివేకానంద గారి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అనుసరించి నేను నాకు వీలైనంత సేవ చేసి వివేకానంద ట్రస్ట్కి ఒక సభ్యుడు అవ్వాలని కోరుకున్నాను. ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా బాగుంది, నిజంగా సోషల్ అవేర్నెస్ చాలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. పాలిటీషియన్స్ వీళ్ళందరూ ఏం చేయలేకపోయినా మన యూత్ అందరం కలిసి ఏం చేయొచ్చు అన్నట్టు చెప్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు అబ్దుల్ కలాం చెప్పినట్టు 2020 వరకు వెయిట్ చేసే అవసరం లేదు, ఇప్పటి నుంచి అందరూ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే 2016 కల్లా ఇండియా డెవలప్ అయిపోతుంది.